You keep working on your script, you adjust the light, you get a nice camera, and in your mind, everything is perfect to make a good video. But then, after you publish, you get 10 views, 20 views. And then on the other end, I see people that literally put no effort in creating video, and as a videographer, they look pretty bad, but yet they get hundreds of thousands of views. So I had to understand why that's happening. People don't click because your video looks good. They click because something feels interesting, and then they stay because the message is clear. I probably made the same mistake. I focus on lighting, I'm focused on framing, I'm focused on editing. But then the result don't change. So the problem is not quality. And I think what can make this channel grow seriously, it's just the way that I communicate my message, not the way the video looks. Good production doesn't fix a bad idea, but clear idea works, even with a bad video. For example, the other day my wife was watching something on YouTube, and what the video actually was another woman trying out her clothes from when she was 10 years younger. She was literally in front of her wardrobe filming with her phone. So there was no production quality at all in that video. But yet that video had thousands of views. And that's the thing. Even the simplest video, if they have a clear idea and a clear message, they can get thousands of views without too much effort in the production side of things. They might be bad, but they're clear. So what I'm trying to say here is that if you're starting out and you are overwhelmed by the way that your video should look, that's the wrong thing that you need to worry about now. So focus less on how it looks and focus more on what you are saying. Make it simple. Make it clear. That's enough. So if you are at the beginning of your journey on YouTube, I made a video where I shared the way I feel when I first started. And you can find this video up here, somewhere, there. All right. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.